Low miles. Clean Carfax. All-wheel drive. Great color. Extra clean good-looking 2010 Buick Enclave. This Enclave is a marvelous SUV to get you and the little ones around, not just in safety, but also in style. New Car Test Drive called it a smooth and luxurious family hauler. Roomy and comfortable, it seats 7 or 8. It has a nice, smooth ride, and its modern V6 engine provides smooth power and good fuel economy for a vehicle this size. For this 2010 Buick Enclave, check out our online purchase process at www.larsonmotors.com.